Okay, so went to go ride my bike the other day, and my seat clamp, if you can see that, was broken. Look at that. It's in two pieces. How that happened, I have no idea. We bought one of these Chromag NQR seat clamps, and we're gonna install it. It's got a lot more beef on it than the old clamp, if you can see that. Right here, Specialized gives you a toolkit, so we're gonna use that too. Just slide. Ugh. We can just slide the saddle out of the frame. You can only assume that this is from me crashing. This is why it's broken. And once again, we're going to use the tool that comes with the bike. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching.